A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for duck, duck. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I am going to deliver the lecture number 7 of English for class nursery, and today the topic of the lecture is letter F, reading plus writing. It's mean today we will do the 6th letter in alphabets. In the previous lecture we have learnt about the letter E. Now today we will do the next letter. Okay, now what comes after letter E, which is the 6th letter in alphabets? Yes, here you can see the 6th letter in alphabets. Yes, this is letter F. This is small f. This is a lowercase, and the sound of this letter is F, 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 F. Okay, what begins with this letter? Okay, here you can see the first picture. Yes, this is a flag. This is Pakistani flag. This is our national flag. Yes, and here F is the first letter in flag. F, flag. Okay, now come to the next picture. Yes, here you can see the second picture for this letter. Yes, fire. F, fire. F, fire. Okay, this is very dangerous for us, so don't play with the fire. Here F is the first letter in fire. F, fire. Okay, now next picture. Yes, this is a fan. Yes, and F is the first letter in fan. Yes, we use fan in summer season. F, fan. F, fan. Okay, now, yes, what is this? This is a frog. Yes, did you see a frog? Yes, a frog lives. Yes, what is this? This is a frog. Yes, did you see a frog? Yes, a frog lives into the water and land also. Okay, here F is the first letter in frog. F, frog. F, frog. Okay, now next picture. Yes, what is this? These are figs. Yes, and F is the first letter in figs. Yes, this is a fruit. F, figs. F, figs. F, figs. Okay, this is small f, and the sound of this letter is F, F. Okay, here we have done the first part. Now let's do the second part. The second part is about instructions for writing. How we will write small f on a line pattern. First of all, I will discuss this line pattern in front of you. Now, first is top line, you know very well. Second is middle line, good. Third is base line, and the last is lower line. Okay. Now, for small f, in first step, you will make a curve, a little curve. Yes, with the top line, like this. Okay. Now, in the second step, you will make a straight line with this small curve, like this. First, you will make a curve. Yes, like this. And now here, you will make a straight line with this small curve and touch the lower line. Okay. Now in the third step, first you will make a curve, little curve with the top line. Then you will make a straight line with it and touch the base lower line. Touch the lower line, and here you will make a little tail and a small loop. Okay. Now in the fourth step, first you will make a little curve with the top line. Now next you will make a straight line with it. Now touch the lower line. Here you will make a little tail or a little loop like this and loop. Okay. Now in the fourth step, first you will make a little curve with the top line. Now next you will make a straight line with it. Now touch the lower line. Here you will make a little tail or a little loop like this. And now here in the fourth step, you will put a sleeping line on the middle line. Yes, this is small f and it should be in 4 lines. Top to lower. Yes, it should be in 4 lines. Okay. Yes, here I will trace this small f with the help of pencil. Okay. Now here first you will make a curve, little curve like this, and now make a straight line. Yes, like this, and touch the base lower line. Touch the lower line, and here you will make a little tail like this, and now put a sleeping line on the middle line. This is small f and it should be in 4 lines. Now here I will write small f without dots. Okay. First I will make a small curve with the top line. Now straight line and touch the lower line. Here I will make a little tail with it like this. And now here I will put a sleeping line on the middle line like this. Yes, this is small f. Once more time. Okay, now for small f, first I will make a small curve with the top line. Now next I will make a straight line like this and touch the lower line. Here I will make a little tail or a little loop with the lower line, and now I will put a sleeping line on the middle line. Yes, this is small f. This is small f and it should be in 4 lines. It should be in 4 lines. Okay. This is a sleeping line, small sleeping line. Yes. Okay. Yes, have you got it? Okay, now it's time for an activity. Are you ready? Good. Okay, now today we will do an activity. Fill the letter with different fish. Okay. Wow. Yes. Here you can see a hollow letter F with different fish. Okay. Yes. How you will do this activity? You will make different fish inside this letter. This letter F. Yes. F. Fish. Because F is the first letter in fish. F. Fish. F. Fish. Okay. Now you will put your finger on your mobile screen. Yes, for tracing this letter. Okay. Now, yes, like this. You will put your finger on the mobile screen and now take start for letter F. Yes, first you will make a little curve Now straight line like this, and here you will make a little loop like this, and now put one sleeping line in the middle of this letter. Yes, this is letter F, this is small f, and the sound of this letter is F, F, fish, F, fish. Okay, very well done. Okay, today's lecture has been done here. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Students, you will do letter F today on your notebook. Inshallah, we will meet again with the next lecture on Monday. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe, stay blessed with a happy weekend. Thank you very much.